Data types in Excel 2016.
Excel supports various data types, including 1. Text / string alphanumeric characters. 2. Number numeric values for calculations. 3. Date time dates and times for scheduling and tracking. 4. Boolean true or false values for logical operations. 5. Error indicates a problem with a formula or operation. 6. Array, a range of cells or values. Each data type has its own formatting and functions for manipulation and analysis within Excel.
Labels. A label is an important entry in Excel. The label is used to define the information on the spreadsheet, that is, heading of columns, titles, and names. It is any text besides phone numbers, formulas, etc. Labels are aligned on the left side of a cell. Formula. A formula is a mathematical expression used to do simple and complex calculations of the numeric data inserted in a cell or a range of cells. A formula always begins with an equal sign. Example, equal A2 plus B2.